In this video, let's see how you can install the Greenwood Reading app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Greenwood Reading app. Look for the app with the rocket-like logo and tap Install or Download. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app.